HP Envy x360 15 tons review. Editor's rating. The pros: relatively affordable prices, stylish design, solid sound. The cons: wobbly hinge, very dim screen, low battery life. Verdict: the HP Envy x360 is an affordable, 15-inch 2-inch-1 that looks nice but suffers from a lackluster screen. Review: big screen 2-inch-1 laptops, the target of the shopper who wants it all, often come with trade-offs. Consider the HP Envy x360, a convertible notebook with a slick look, a huge, 15-inch display and sweet sound. Unfortunately, its screen is quite low, its hinges are weak and its battery life is short, even by the admittedly low standard for large notebooks. Still, this notebook offers a decent number of perks at a price that's more affordable than most of its competitors, making it worthy of checking out. Design: the Envy x360 is made in silver, Intel, and black, AMD, designs, and features the sleek design aesthetic that HP keeps exclusive to its mid to high-end laptops. The black AMD model is cooler and more distinct, while the silver design will get lost in the field of other PC laptops. While it's easy to rotate the Envy x360's screen from laptop mode to the positions for the stand, display and tablet modes, I found that the 360-degree hinge is too loose. When I tapped the screen with my finger to use its touch screen, it shuddered and shook at each press. The Envy x360 notebooks split their dual USB 3.0 ports between their left and right sides, with an HDMI port and headphone jack also on the left side. A USB Type-C port, non-charging, SD memory reader and power port also sit on the right side. Display: while each Envy x360 renders a clear picture on its 15.6-inch, 1920 by 1080 pixel screen, each panel is hurt by block color and low brightness. Watching the Avengers: Infinity War trailer on the notebooks, I admired how crisp the Spidey sense raised hairs on Peter Parker's forearm appeared, but noticed that Steve Rogers still looked like he was in the shadows, even after he emerged from them. The purple had drained from Thanos' noggin, and that the green color of the trees of Wakanda seemed muted.